Morning, afternoon, and night, so I catch you whatever time you're at or I'm at. I'm in Big Lake, Alaska. And I forgot my teeth back at the house, or in the house. But anyways, this is the new cat. Say hi, Georgia. Seems to be a really neat cat. Anyways, it's a beautiful day. But I'm going to show you how to take a door panel off. Oh wow, look. It's a big ass army plane. I think it's carrying at the troop plane. I've seen them planes, I've seen 1 to 5 at a time, and I've seen them make circles, gigantic circles around the whole city. I've seen them circle like up to 6 times, or more, up to a couple hours. Anyways, you want to take that little notch, and you want to, it's kind of hard one-handed. But anyways, see, I've marred it a little bit from not being careful. I'm trying to do it by myself. But you got to stick the screwdriver straight in it, and you got to hold it up. Anyways, you got that one, and that one. And then you got to pop this cover off right here. That's what you got to do to start with. Then you got to take that cover off. It just pops off. What the hell? When the clip is somebody's already been in this truck before, but one clip is broke. Ain't gonna matter. Then you got a 10 millimeter there, 2 right there, and then 1 right there. And the bolts that hold this on, make sure you keep track of them because they're special. They got a little shoulder on them. Sometimes it helps to have a magnet because sometimes the bolts don't like to come out of there. Now, it's got little, you gotta just pop it off. And then pop it off, and, oh, you gotta take this out. And this just comes off easily. Then just take your connectors off. Which I can't do one-handed. If you're just changing the mirror, you don't need to take, you can just let it, if you're just changing the mirror, you just need to pull this back. You got a clip here, and here, and there's one right there. And you can snake it through. And it's, you gotta undo this right here. That's some clips. Just use the right tool. Don't be the guy that breaks the clips. Take them off. Because there's a reason why they're there. So, and if you do break them off, get another one or tape it back on. Please. Thank you. Okay. Now you just got to pull that out of there. Undo your 3 10mm nuts. Okay. Sometimes the mirrors get stuck right here. And sometimes you literally got to pry them off. But now, I got to go right on the other side of that red cab. That windshield you see, that's where I'm headed. I gotta take the mirror off that truck. Well, it's beautiful back here. Huh. Well, this isn't my project, it's my son's project, but I don't know. I'm getting ready to take it over, though. That truck I'm working on right now, the one up there, that's his project that I'm taking over. He just started it, and as soon as he found out it needed a motor, holy shit, with a B. As soon as he found out it needed a motor, he lost interest. So, he's waiting for a motor, so. But there's tons of other shit to do to it, like put the mirrors on it. I put the mirrors on it, I put a bed on it already. It's a black truck, and I found a black bed, and it's in really good shape. I'll show you. But anyways, honestly, I've never took this style. This is the same year truck, but this is a different style door panel. And I've honestly never took one off before. But I know you gotta take that off. And I'm not sure if this pops up or not. I don't think so. Huh. You'd think there'd be more bolts than that, or more. Huh. Well, let's start by taking that up and see what it looks like. There's that plane again. I've seen that plane, like I said, make up to 6-7 laps in 2 hours making circles. Anyways, you gotta take it's got one clip that's connected right there, and then these two here pop off pretty easy, but you got to get down and fish around and use the right tool to get it out, or not. Anyways, and I already took that off, put it on that other truck up there. I can't even see it, but I can hear it. And you gotta take this cover off to get your last bolt. Okay. And then pay attention to which routing, which way it goes. Well, I gotta get that out because that goes in the mirror. Somebody cross-threaded this bolt and this one, but this one came out and this one needs some help coming out. So I thought I'd get me some vice grips and a regular wrench. There's another plane.